Gold and silver both traded in a no trade zone, as we discussed in the Asia session update, that between silver between 2410 and 2413 a no trade, and beyond that 2450 is the target, and for gold it is 1954.62. In fact, it tried to breach out the till towards 1964, but failing to do so, it has got a pullback and now trading again at 1960. So what to expect with the US session? The PPI data coming in from US definitely will bring volatility, and how to make the most out of it we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. This is the second update for the day, and the next update will be released with the Asia session tomorrow. So pressing the bell icon definitely helps. Also, you can remain updated by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Do join that. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver, to watch till the end. Now, if you look at the gold on the hourly chart, see the breakout here, the convergence still towards 20 period moving average, and it is trading in this bullish channel. And you can see this now 1955, 1965 is the zone where the top and bottom of this trend line exist. Below this, certainly we can expect 1950 levels, very good support. And if it breaks further below 1950, you can expect 45 and 40. Now 40 is the ultimate support, below which only gold should be treated as bear. Also, now let's have a look closely on the hourly charts. You can see this one bullish candle here, single bullish candle, and see the retracement candles. Now one bullish candle, and the retracement candles are very small. So what does these retracement candles do? This is just cool down the indicators a bit. What does this mean? Also, this two candles higher lows are seen. So once it breaks out on the upside, see possibly higher highs, which means it can try to hit till towards 66-67 zone, which is the greater resistance, and beyond that certainly more bullishness can prevail. So first target should be at around 1967, and then the next target should be at 73-76 zone. So this is what you can infer here, but let's have a look at the stochastic is dropping here. See the MACD crossing over, trading with divergence and bearishness. As of now, it is looking downwards. RSI is also trying to look downwards, trading with slight bearishness. Coming to the 2-hour charts, now see the entire game lies here in the 2-hour charts. You can find out one bearish candle. See, this candle could be a reversal sign if the current candle, see preceding candle could be a reversal sign if the current candle breaks on the upside. So yes, in fact 1962-65, see this is the zone where it is going to get the next resistance at 65 levels, but I will be looking forward to 67 levels. That is should be the target, first target. Beyond, if it stays above 1962, certainly we can expect 1967, and then 73-76 zone is going to be the next resistance level. Also, if you look at on the downside, now support is created at 55, below which you can expect 50. See on the 2-hour chart, the 20 period moving average is still far below, and hence convergence still towards 50, or in fact further lower levels can happen. Stochastic has dropped here. MACD willing to converge crossover. It has not yet crossed over. RSI is also coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts likewise, see so far it is open flat. Higher lows, lower highs are seen. Wait for a breakout, and possibly beyond 1962 more bullishness can be expected. Stochastic has dropped here. MACD is still bullish, trying to converge a bit. RSI overbought. On the 4-hour charts also similar is the observation, but look at the previous candle. See this candle is with higher high, so possibility for it to reverse also exists very strong. This candle to reverse exists very strong. So yes, beyond 1962 you can expect 1967, and then plus levels on the upside might take it for 73-76 zone. And but one point which is making me cautious here is the divergence from the moving average, and moving averages certainly have started to look upwards. However, the price is too much divergent from the moving average. So yes, in fact 19, if it drops below 1955, you can sell there for 1950, and in fact 40 levels, 45 and 40 are the next targets. The stochastic is overbought here, looking downwards. MACD is bullish here, trying to converge a bit. RSI is also overbought. Coming to the daily chart. Now look at the daily charts here. See consolidation, then the reversal. We have discussed this yesterday. See this complete move is engulfed between this one candle, and now if you look at this has come till towards the resistance zone here. So possibly now if you look at 1970-73 zone appears to be the next resistance here. So yes, beyond 1962 there could be further bullishness, and then we can expect the price to rise further high till towards 80-85 zone, the next resistance, because this is a reversal. This is coming out of the trend here. This is the trend line in which it was trading, bearish trend line, and hence it has a scope for it to rise further till towards, in fact, 2000 levels. If not possible today, then maybe tomorrow or maybe next week. Stochastic rising here. The MACD is still divergent, bullish, looking upwards. RSI is also looking upwards, indicating little bullishness. Now, considering this, you can buy here at 1962 levels, but safer entry should, for it to let it break below, beyond 1965, beyond that 1970. See, you can buy at 1962, I will recommend, but then be a little bit cautious at 1964, 65, and then 1967. These are three very, very nearby resistances. Beyond that, I will look forward to 1973, 76 level, and then 1982, 85 zone. Very, very high chance that it can continue with the bullish momentum here. On the downside, you can sell here at 1955 levels, but then expect 1950 as the first target, 1945 as the next target. Take your trades accordingly. Till 1940, chances of swing exist and it can bounce back strongly. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is going to start on first week of August. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver on the hourly charts. 2410 is the base here. It is created, and this is definitely a very good support. Now the moving averages also have come till towards this level. So only sell entry below 2410, and below that you can expect 2380 levels also. Possibility exists for this, but if you look at with that as base, we have seen higher highs, higher lows. So it is trading bullish as of now. Any move beyond 2530 levels will take it till towards 2450 levels. So I will wait for 2430 to be breached, and then 2450 is the next target, as we discussed in the Asia session update. Stochastic near to overbought. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence. RSI is also overbought here. And on the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, too much of consolidation and a support at 2410 levels, with that as a rise, and previous candle appears to be a breakout, and hence this candle might take it further high. Possibility exists for this. Stochastic overbought. MACD is still bullish, trying to converge a bit. RSI overbought. And on the 3-hour charts, now see, only thing is the divergence from the moving average, but what it could do, it could try to give a breakout, then converge here. That is a possibility which exists here. So even if it tries to rise, it can show you a pullback. And then how far it can rise beyond 2450, you can expect, see, 2475, $25 also can be expected. Stochastic overbought. MACD bullish here, trading with divergence. RSI overbought. Everything is overbought here. And on the 4-hour, now look at 4-hour chart. See, bottom here, then higher lows, and this candle could be another breakout candle. Just let it stay above 2430 levels. Stochastic overbought. MACD bullish. RSI overbought. And on the daily chart, now look at the daily chart. See, it has come out of this bearish channel. It has given a breakout yesterday, and this breakout could continue for further. I will look forward to first 2450 levels at least, and if it stays above 2450, in fact 2475, $25 levels cannot be denied. It can achieve today itself. Possibility exists for this also. But stochastic is overbought. MACD here is divergent bullish. RSI is also looking upwards. Considering this, till it trades between 2410 and 2430, we are not going to take any position. Only bullish confirmation is if it trades above 2450 levels, where we can see further rise. So yes, you can buy at 2430, wait for it to break past 2450, and then stay long above. See, it could give also a good swing between 24, or rather 2380 to 2450 levels. Remember this fact, it can show you good swings here. And hence you can sell here at 2410, expect 2380 levels. Possibly it can try to drop till towards those levels. Very, very good support at 2380 exists. And only bearishness is if you see it trading below 2380. Below that, further drop cannot be denied. So take your positions accordingly. In between 2410 and 2430, do not take any position. And also, since we can see a good swing with the data, and hence you have to trade with the trailing stop loss, you have to trade with the strict stop loss at your entry prices. Trade accordingly, trade profitably. You can join my mentorship batch or signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can join my free Telegram channel for live market updates. Again, the link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Remember, data may bring swings, volatility, and hence trade with caution. Thank you very much.